تھا سایہ شاہ ثقلین معدوم نہ تھا سایہ شاہ ثقلین اس نور کی جلوہ گاہ بنی ذات حسنین اس نور کی جلوہ گاہ بنی ذات حسنین اور تمثیل آدھے سے حسین آدھے سے بنے ہیں حسن آدھے سے حسین. All praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us the tawfiq, the ability to gather here to commemorate and pay tribute to the noble prophetic family, and in particular Syyidina Imam al-Hussein radiallahu ta'ala, and all the martyrs and his supporters at Karbala. Undoubtedly not just a battle between two groups or two individuals, but in reality the ultimate battle between truth and falsehood. And the name Sayyidina Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala, and the name Hussein has become synonymous to standing for the truth. I would like to extend my gratitude to those who arranged this gathering, in particular the Honorable Ulama who are presiding over this gathering, Most Honorable Mufti Naseerullah Sahib and Most Honorable Maulana Arif Sahib, and other Ulama who are presiding over this gathering and these efforts. I would like to extend my gratitude and also to commend you and congratulate you for bringing together a crowd of predominantly younger people, which is quite an achievement in the times that we live in. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all, bless them for their efforts, and all of you for every step that you've taken today in joining this gathering, and every minute and every second that you dedicate. These are undoubtedly the best moments of your life. If you don't know this yet, then inshallah know this, and remember, with sincerity, with niyyah, everything, even the tiniest effort, is rewarded infinitely. And inshallah you will see, if your niyyah is sincere, if your intention is sincere, you will see the reward of this on the day of judgment. You can't imagine right now what the reward of this will be. We have 5 sessions and inshallah over the course of these 5 sessions I will be attempting to deliver a detailed narrative of the events that led up to the massacre at Karbala, and what actually happened and how events played out at Karbala, and then, inshallah, briefly, the aftermath of Karbala as well. But when I was sent the poster, Brother Rضوان shared the poster with me initially, I requested some edits, and one of the edits was the title. I suggested a slight change to the title in terms of not just commemorating Karbala, but ultimately, knowing history is an important part of knowing who we are. So that in itself is very important for us to have an accurate account of what actually happened. So this in itself is very important, but ultimately the purpose of knowing your history is to be able to understand the lessons and to learn from them. And one of the primary lessons of this huge sacrifice that was made by the noble prophetic family and members of the family of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his immediate descendants. Why did Sayyidina Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu do this? Why did he choose this path of azima, of difficulty?